So right now I am not going to use SQL query. I am just going to use a table. So I am just clicking on direct query as it will be a live connection, and then I will click on OK. So once I click on OK, so definitely there will be a new window for SQL Server database. So you will find something three category, that is Windows, database and Microsoft account. So let me just click on Windows. So in Windows you will find use your current Windows credential to access the database or use alternate credential. So if you use my current credential, then it will connect to the Windows like this one we have connected. So as we have connected this by Windows authentication, so it will connect by using Windows authentication. But as I said, in organization or in real world or in real time, we only use SQL Server database credentials, because in organization SQL Server is shared by many users. So definitely they will be having their own credentials. Now once you select use my current credential, click on connect. So once you click on connect, it will connect to our local server, which will be this one, and it will show us the database which are present in this local server. So it will take some time to connect, because we are going to connect to SQL Server for the first time with our Power BI. Remember, SQL Server is a widely used database as a backend for Power BI or for any data visualization tool. So connecting to SQL Server is very important. So you need to learn this method, and you need to make practice more and more while connecting to SQL Server. So now there are some error occur. Let us see what is the error. Unable to connect. We encounter an error while trying to connect. So basically these errors, this type of errors you need to face while Power BI is unable to connect to your SQL Server. So the basically servers local. So might there will be a spelling mistake of a server name, or there will be any issue. So there are many chances. So you need to rectify what is the issue that is causing you to not able, why you are not able to connect to Power BI and SQL, why you are not able to make a connection between Power BI and SQL. So now we will rectify this issue, why it is causing. So you can see could not open a connection to SQL Server. So what you can do, you can just try one more time by clicking on retry. So let us see while is it connecting to our local. So please wait while we establish a connection to local. So local, let us check the spelling. So local is good, or else we can copy from here as well. We have different servers. Basically I have different servers in my system, so I need to try different as well. So let us first try with our local one. So let us see. So it is still connecting. It will take some time to connect. So if it is connected, then it's good, or otherwise we need to edit the connection. So for that, just click on edit, and while you click on edit, it will jump and take you back to your server. So now we are going to, so most of the time what happen that is, if you provide a local server, so the Power BI think it as a local, it is not a company database, it is just a local. So local, usually a name, if you give a server name local, then definitely it will provide you with some issues. So what I will suggest, the best practice is go to your system name. So definitely system name is the local server name as well. So in my case, if I go to connect, and I will find different, so these are the instance, and this is my local system name, which is also a local. So this is a system name, but it is also a local server. So both are server same, but the name local is not good, so I'm taking my system name. So let us connect with this server. So the server is up and running, and it is been connected. So now I'm going to pass this server name. So let us copy, close, go to Power BI, paste the server name, Same, I am going to use the direct query, server name is same, and I am going to click on OK. So as you see, once I click on OK, the server is connected. So you can see the server name, and these are the name of the database present inside that server. So let me show. So let me just disconnect this one. So I am disconnecting this, and yeah. So this is the server name. So inside database you will find the database which are present in Power BI as well. So what was our aim? Our aim is to connect the database adventure works data warehouse 2008 R2. Inside this we are going to connect to our table, that is dim employee. So let me find dim employee. Yeah, here it is. So I will be selecting dim employee. So whatever table you select, you will find the data preview here, so you can verify the data whether it is good or not. So if you see that, yeah, now if the data looks good, then it's okay. There is no need to transform or no need to edit it. Or else you can select multiple table as well. So if in case dim employee, then I will select say dim product. So you can see the second one, that is dim product. So because if you select multiple table, then definitely you need to provide some relationship between the tables, like you need to perform joins and all. So also there is one more advantage in Power BI: select related table. So in case if you select any table, that is new employee, but you don't know this table is related to how much table in that database. So if we click on select related tables, so you can see dim employee is related to dim sales territory, fact reseller sales, fact sales quota. So you can see this is a fact and dimension coordination. So you can see fact, what are the fact and what are the dimension related to that dim employee. So right now I am just going to select only one table, that is dim employee. So just select dim employee and click on load. So once you click on load, you can see that the SQL server started connecting with our Power BI. So you can see this create connection, dim employee creating connection in model. So it will take some time based on the count data present in the table. So you can see, yeah, this is a right tick, dim employee has been successfully imported in our Power BI. So now it is working on it.